Hey guys, so right now you guys, we just got done church. We are shopping because we are going to my sister's place, campsite again. So that's what we are doing, and pretty chill and relaxing. So that's what we are doing right now. So talk to you guys when we get to my sister's place, and we are doing some shopping.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
Hey guys, so right now you guys, we are going to Auburn. Yeah, so we are gonna go to the campsite. So
this is good, guys.
She's being addicted to that so much. So that's what we are doing.
I needed a drink.
Hey guys, so right now you guys, we are gonna go swimming. So it's gonna be fun and exciting. This is gonna be Zeke. Come on, Zeke, let's go. Come on. So that's what we're doing. There we go, Zeke.
Hey guys, so we have somebody in our car with us. It's our niece.
My niece.
Your niece,
Not
but
your niece.
not yet.
I was gonna say something about that.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing. We're on our way to church, and what are we doing, Lex?
We're going to do a cardboard boat kind of race. So whoever gets to like the end of the water or something wins. And I hope our team wins.
And what's going to be for snack tonight? Do you remember?
I think you said ice cream sandwiches.
Are you excited for that?
Yeah. I
Yeah?
am.
So that's what we're doing, you guys. So talk to you guys when we get there.
Yay! How to make this more waterproof. Hopefully it doesn't just disintegrate. Who knows?
Look at that.
I know it's going to be really hard.
Hey guys, so we had fun with making cardboard boats. So it was fun and exciting, challenging, but we got this, you guys. We did win, but that's okay. There's always winners and losers, you guys. Yeah. So Lex did a good job of that. So that's what we did. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, what are we doing?
We are on our way back to the camp for a fire.
Are you excited, Lex? Why are you so excited? Why are you so?
Look how excited she looks. She's not tired at all.
Totally not.
Did you have fun, Lex?
So
It went on again.
that's fine.
Don't worry.
So
But yeah, that's what
that's
we're
what
doing.
we're gonna do,
My
yeah.
hair is so frizzy. And you can only like it looks weird because I'm like blonde and my hair is just frizzy. But you know.
she's always frizzy.
Yeah.
Lex went swimming in the pond, right?
It was very slimy.
Very slimy?
Yeah, like slime.
Like gooey slime that you stick to. And that was so good, it felt like squishies.
You guys should never go in.
Never go
Never.
in. Yeah, don't. I didn't go in. Why? Because I'm a joy kill.
And you slept in the water when we were doing a boat kind of race.
Yeah, I slept. Wait, Lex slept too, but she's okay, right?
I had a meltdown too, though.
Yeah, but that's okay. We all have meltdowns sometimes, no matter what we go through. So, let's head to the campfire.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we are just heading home. Rachel's just drinking from the iced tea container. Don't drink too much. So, that's what we're doing. So, talk to you guys when we get home. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you want me to do tomorrow. Goodbye.